Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to verify your Discord account. In order to verify your Discord account, you have to simply follow these steps. You can do this procedure in your mobile device as well. The procedure will remain the same. Now open up a web browser, type in discord.com and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, it's gonna direct you to the home page. So when you're on the home page, go ahead and press the gear icon located right at the bottom, and this is going to take you to your profile or my account section. From the left hand side bar, click on my account, and on this page you should be able to see your information. So there's two different ways of verifying your account. The first one is you can either do it with the help of an email or phone number, whichever is convenient for you. Since my account is already verified, so you cannot see this option as unverified. So when you haven't verified your account, then you'll be able to see this option as unverified. You just press that and it's gonna redirect you to the page where you can go ahead and verify your account. So that's basically how you can verify your Discord account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.